Fat buzz, baby. You know how we roll. Straight out the dirt to the top shelf. Pedal to the metal, man. No slowing down. Let's go. I'm in the fast lane, blinking, you might miss the magic. Why they still waiting on the sprout, I'm harvesting the static. The growth is supernatural, like a Ferrari in the night. From a seed to a foil, yeah, we doing it right. I got that top tier rhythm, no time for the lag. Green gold in my pocket, yeah, the heavy duty bag. Other crew moving sluggish, they stuck in the mud, but I'm cruising on the cloud. Shout out to Fast Buzz, moving like a Lambo. 0 to 100, watch them grow. Like a G-Wagon, just stable, yeah, we running the show. It's that Rolls Royce luxury, every puff is a flex. Fast Buzz on the depot, yeah, we waiting for what's next. Yeah, we too fast. My garden looking like a showroom, elite with the shine. Stir alert in the Bentley, yeah, I'm taking what's mine. Steel beams in the ground, the heaviest aroma when I circle in the town. I'm a Porsche, not a woman, when I'm hitting the curve. Fat Buzz quality is the only thing I deserve. The mechanical failures, a pure high-octane fuel. In the league of the legends, yeah, we making the rules. Moving like a Lambo, 0 to 100, watch them grow. Like a G-Wagon, built stable, yeah, we running the show. It's that Rolls Royce luxury, every puff is a flex. Fast Buzz on the devil, yeah, we waiting for what next. I'm a Bugatti Veyron when the light turn green. That fussy is the aesthetic that you ever seen. It's that premium life, no cut, no cheap talk. Fat Buzz in the air.
Thanks for coming down, let's go.
Genetics on another level, yeah, I'm in full control. They ask me how I did it, how it finished so soon. I just point to the logo while I'm hitting the moon. Moving like a Lambo, 0 to 100, watch them grow. Like a G-Wagon, built stable, yeah, we running the show. It's that Rolls Royce luxury, every puff is a flex. Fat Buzz on the table, yeah, we waiting for our next.
I've said it since day one, I'll say it today. It's always Fast Buzz for the win. It speaks for itself. Let's go.
It's a lifestyle, man.
Thank you.